So today here we have Tom from Washington taking delivery of his brand new Winnebago Revel, and we'd just like to extend a thank you and a welcome to Tom today. And Tom, just kind of maybe let us know, how did you find out about the Revel, and what enticed you to move forward with this product?
Well, I've been watching for something like this to come around for quite a while. I've been looking at RVs for years now, trying to find just the right thing. And when this got announced, I pretty much knew that this was the one I wanted. So it didn't take me very long to make the decision.
Good.
And I'm just thrilled to see it here.
Well, good, good. Any special trips? Any destinations off the top that you're looking at?
Well, I live in the West, so I'm going to be going all over the West. We've got lots of national forests and logging roads and those sorts of things that I'm going to not be afraid to try out, because I've got
Sure.
the high clearance and four-wheel drive, and can take this places that you really can't take any other RVs.
Yeah. Well, good. And just overall experience, I guess, working with us, orientation, everybody been beneficial to you?
We've been taking a couple of hours here, and I don't know, I still got some time to go over, because there's lots of features to
Sure.
look at. So it's been great. I have had all of my questions answered, and so it's
All's
been
good.
been a pretty good experience.
Good. Well, we appreciate the opportunity, and this is, again, Tom from Washington taking a delivery of his brand new Revel today.